Have you ever sold an investment just before it went back up? Or you avoided investing altogether because the market seemed scary? Of course, this is completely unrelated to current volatile markets, be it crypto or the capital markets. If this is your situation, you are not alone. And it is not a lack of intelligence, it's your brain. Behavioral biases are sneaky. They hijack your decision-making and sabotage your long-term strategy without you even realizing it. But today we're going to outsmart them so you can grow your wealth with confidence. Hey there, I'm Tanya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I share practical advice and simple tools to help you navigate the world of personal finance. While I am a CFA with over 15 years of experience in the financial industry, and I know and understand all the theories, but I also put a lot of emphasis on how money feels and how our brain works when it comes to money. So let's get right into it. Let's face it, in your 30s and your 40s, your financial, and the rest, of course, life gets more complex. You're juggling career moves, maybe raising kids, buying a home, and trying to invest wisely on top of it all. But here's the thing, even if you know the right thing to do, your emotions can get in the way. And that's where behavioral biases come in. So let's talk about 3 most common investing biases. Those biases that quietly drain your portfolio if you're not aware of them and manage them carefully. Number 1, loss aversion. The fact is that our brain hates losing money twice as much as it loves making it. So we panic sell when markets dip, even if we know they'll bounce back in time. Then we have the herd mentality. We just follow what everyone else is doing. You see the hype, the headlines, and suddenly you're buying at the peak. Ouch, that's always a bad idea. Oh, if you want to know more about herd mentality, why it was, and it still is in some cases, absolutely necessary to have this bias, but it can really cost you a lot in terms of your finances, make sure you watch this video right here, where I discuss exactly about that. Finally, we have the overconfidence bias. We think that we are smarter than the market, so we take big risks without enough research. And well, let me just put it this way, it doesn't always end well. So how do you catch these patterns before they hurt you? Next time you're making an investing decision, pause and ask yourself, am I reacting emotionally or logically? Am I basing this on solid research or I just saw that online? Would I make the same decision if nobody else was watching? This self-awareness and tiny break between making an important decision can save you thousands in the long run. Now I want to share a few practical habits to stay rational and build a more disciplined, bias-resistant investing routine. Set yourself rules before you invest, like when to buy, when to sell, or when to rebalance. Automate your contributions to make sure you take advantage of the dollar cost averaging. Check your portfolio less often. You really want to avoid that emotional whiplash. And quite a hard one in this overly connected world, focus on long-term goals, not short-term headlines. Remember, emotions are normal, but your system is your safety net. The good part of today's world is that there are already amazing tools out there to help you stay rational. You can use apps like Personal Capital or Morningstar to analyze performance with logic, not guesswork. This way you can rely on data dashboards and not all the market noise. Your brain might push for impulse, but your system will keep you steady. So if you're in your 30s and your 40s and serious about building wealth, the smartest move you can make isn't just learning about investing, it's learning how to manage your mind while you invest. Because the best investors aren't fearless, they're just well prepared. And in the next video, we're going to talk about the 7 behavior biases that are costing you big money. Make sure you tune in. See you then. Bye-bye.